Everyone, listen, if you are watching before June 28th, make sure to watch the whole video because it's very, very important. I'm going to be talking about Ethereum price prediction, doing a technical analysis, as well as doing some crypto news. So make sure to stay tuned. This is very, very important because I will tell you by the end of this video why I believe Ethereum has a great chance of heading to the $1,500 price range. With that said, this is DC Trading. If you love crypto and want to stay updated, make sure to subscribe and absolutely turn on the post notifications, as well as check out my previous video where I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, what to expect and what I found. Very, very important, guys. Go check that out. Pause this video right now and go check it out. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, guys. So first off, we're going to be talking about Ethereum. We're going to be looking at the 1 week candle. As you guys can see, we finally saw green after, let's see how many days or weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks of red. We finally see a green candlestick for Ethereum. That's a sign of a relief. Is it over? Well, guys, I don't know. We don't know, guys. Is the bottom 885? No one knows. No one in this whole world knows. But what we do know, it did close around the $1,197 range. It did go as high as $1,281. It tried to make a push, but it didn't go through. So now we're going to look at the 4 hour to see what's up with, Ethereum right now. As you guys know, currently it is down 0.84%, less than 1%. That's not too bad, guys, because it is the first week or the first day of the week. It is Monday morning, to be exact. Well, it's about to be 12 p.m. Right now we're seeing a little pullback, guys. That's normal. We are in the oversold right here, guys. As you guys can see, we're still selling off right now. We can go as low, most likely, to 1,167 before we see a pushback up, as you guys can see, because as I said, right now we have bullish a bullish chart forming right here. As you guys can see, an inverse head and shoulders. This is not guaranteed, but if you know technical analysis and chart patterns, an inverse head and shoulder is a sign of a short-term bull run real quick. And this is why I also believe this is a good indicator right here of a good sign that we can head to the 1500. But there's another thing, guys. I want to show you guys, if you guys didn't forget, this Wednesday coming up in 2 days, Ethereum is going to undergo a great glacier upgrade. This can possibly send up Ethereum to the $1,500 price range. Yes, guys, right here. As you guys can see, if you want to read this whole article, it tells you what the upgrade is. I don't want to go in too much detail, but you guys go check that out. Link in the description down below. So yeah. Also, some other news I just want to point out, guys. We have is Goldman cuts Coinbase to sell. As you guys can see, the reason is because crypto has fallen off. Prices are going down. Everything is down in crypto. He is losing money. And as a result, it is down. The stock market or the stock for Coinbase is down around 8% right now. As you guys can see. And the really interesting thing is Goldman is trying to save up money. He's trying to collect $2 billion from investors to invest in Celsius, which is very, very interesting. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, guys. Very fishy. I don't know. But guys, as you guys can see right here, we are experiencing a pullback. It is holding up very well at this point of 1,183 price level. It's holding up very good, guys. It's not closing below it. As you guys can see, we are looking at the 4 hour. If we look at a shorter time frame, let's look at the 1 hour. As you guys can see, yes, we are experiencing some pullbacks right here. As you guys can see, it did go up and then went back down. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens. We are in the oversold at the 1 hour as well. So it is eventually going to have to make its way back up. As you guys can see, we are seeing some pullback or some positive sign of more uptrend. As I said, guys, we are around the first day of the week, which means things are not going to be that great because it is the first day of the week. It's just getting started. It's getting warmed up. But guys, as I said previously, I do believe Ethereum can push up to the 1500. Once it pushes up to the 1500, that is the best chance to sell, make your profits, and just wait. Just wait and see what happens next. Because we might see a big fall. This might be a bull trap for everyone out there to start thinking, oh, we're going to see Ethereum hit 2,000 now. Don't fall for it, guys. There's worse to come because we're still not in the middle of June or July when, the feds are going to, raise the interest points again. We got to be on the lookout. You got to remember that, guys. Just make your money, dip out and make your money, guys. Make your profit. Even if it's like $10, 15, at least you didn't lose money. But as you guys can see, the reasons why I believe Ethereum has a chance to hit 1,500 is because there's an inverse head and shoulders at the 4 hour. We are experiencing a pullback. It's the first week of the month, or the first day of the month, as well as putting the news of the new upgrade happening Wednesday. As well, if you look at the volume chart, let's see if it loads up. If it breaks through this line, guys, and continues up, I do believe Ethereum will break all the way up to the 1,500, 1,450 to 1,500, because a lot of volume happens around this area and this area. There's no volume happening in between this area, so it can easily make its way back up, because on this day, on June 22nd or June 12th to June 13th, it went from 1,500 all the way down to 1,200, a $300 difference. So it can easily make its way back up. For some reason, it did not load. Very, very interesting. Okay. So yeah, guys, there's 4 indicators of why I believe, indications of why I believe Ethereum has a chance to go up. As I said, we're in the overbought, oversold, inverse head and shoulders. There's a little pullback with the news of Ethereum new upgrade, or undergoing an upgrade this Wednesday, are the reasons why I believe it will possibly hit the $1,500. If you want to stay updated, guys, on this, make sure to subscribe, turn post notification, make sure to share this with anyone that's, invested in Ethereum. With that said, this is DC Trading. I will see you guys in the next video.